Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking a reputable VPN with fast servers and a kill switch. That protects your account if the connection drops. Once chosen, install and log into the VPN app. Make sure split tunneling is off so Steam traffic uses the VPN. Now close Steam completely. Exit from the system tray, so Steam won't leak your real IP. This first step reduces risk and prepares Steam to reconnect under the VPN without triggering account flags or purchase errors. Once done, connect to the VPN server that matches your intended Steam region, choosing a nearby node for lower latency. After connecting, run a quick DNS and IP leak check. If your provider recommends, disable IPv6 to avoid leaks. Make sure the VPN shows the target country and IP before you open Steam. If the IP matches, launch Steam and allow it to update. These steps ensure Steam recognizes the VPN endpoint instead of your real network, minimizing region mismatch issues. You finish by logging into Steam and confirming the store region and library reflect the VPN location. Make purchases only when the region and pricing match. If Steam blocks access or shows errors, clear the Steam download cache, fully restart your PC, then reconnect to a different VPN server. If problems persist, disable any system proxy, verify the kill switch isn't blocking traffic, and contact your VPN support. One key troubleshooting tip: try a server in the same country, but a different city to bypass rate limits or bans.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.